Hello everyone, welcome to Easy Learning. Today we are going to discuss about the real differences between IT, IIT, Triple IT and ITA. Is it the third eye? Jokes apart. A lot of things are different like the admission process, variety of branches, so many are there. But they're not similar in any aspect rather than one, that all of them are education related. Some of you may be aware of what they stand for, but some might be still unsure what actually this. So, this video is for those who are still confused and wanted to know more. So, for better understanding, let us discuss them one by one. First one is ITA. ITA stands for Industrial Training Institutes. It is a certified training course. And the next is IT, and it is Information and Technology. It is a branch for engineering. And IIT, it is Indian Institute of Technology. It provides degree courses. Now let us discuss in depth. First one is ITI. It is a government run training organization and it provides training in the technical field and it helps them get jobs in the various industries like mechanical, electrical, wireman, automobile, computer software, etc. And the main thing is they also allow them to start their own setup like a garage, winding or fabrication shop. For this, eligibility is based on merit list and anyone after 8th, 10th or 12th can take admission in the course. Now, course duration. For this 6 months, 9 months, 12, 18 and 24 months depending on the trade you choose. The next one is IIT. It is Reputed Institute for BTech and MTech. There are total 23 IITs all around the country. They are working with a vision to provide world-class education in India to make technical education best in the country. For this, eligibility is they must have passed 12th with math stream and has cleared the entrance exam called JEE Preliminary as well as JEE Mains. And the course duration is 4 years and you get an engineering degree from IIT. Now IT. It is a subject or a branch of engineering. It deals with computer hardware and software simultaneously. For this, eligibility is, as it is a branch of engineering, so its eligibility is same as that for engineering. And of course, the course duration also 4 years as engineering. Still confused between IT and Triple IT? No problem. Here are some main differences I'll discuss. The first one is all IITs are established and funded by Government of India, that is MHRD, but it's not the same in the case of Triple ITs, as all Triple ITs are not funded by MHRD. And the second point is IITs provide every kind of engineering branch while Triple IT provides only information tech related fields like ECE, CS, IT, etc. And the third point is to get into an IIT you need to clear JEE Advanced while Triple ITs takes pupil on the basis of Common Counseling, that is AIR. And the fourth one is to get into IIT only one have to qualify JEE Advanced after the 12th, whereas one lands in Triple IT based on the JEE Mains rank. IITs also provide UG, PG, PhD certificated courses and dual degree like for BTech plus MTech and Masters of Designs and Bachelors of Designs for MDEs and BDEs and also MBA. So guys, this is all about these differences. I discussed this that I think it is important for you all to know. Hope this video has helped you. If you need more info about any of the field mentioned, don't forget to write in the comment section below. Thank you everyone. Have a nice day.